Hello, folks, and how are you all doing? So, a very interesting part of the tech landscape right now is the arrival of a lot of new programming languages. And one of the very important ones is Zig. So, a few videos ago, we discussed about Rust, which is also a newer programming language and is also growing in popularity recently. And another one of them is Zig, which is also considered to be a systems level language. And yeah, let's see. How is Zig as your next programming language? So, should you use Zig for your next project or no? Let's see what they're saying. And Zig, paving the way for your next programming language adventure. In the vast landscape of programming languages, each one serves a unique purpose. Catering to different paradigms and solving specific challenges, Zig, a relatively new but rapidly emerging programming language, is gaining attention from its emphasis on simplicity, performance, and safety. Developed by Andrew Kelly, Zig has been heralded as a language that amalgamates the best features of existing languages while addressing some of their inherent limitations. With its growing community and promising features, Zig appears to set potentially revolutionize the way developers are approaching various programming tasks. So like Rust, Zig is also very interesting, and especially if you visit the homepage and the basically their turf, it's very interesting, and their logo, especially love the logo. I believe this is some bug or dinosaur kind of thing. Anyone is free to start and maintain their own space, community to gather. There is no concept of official or unofficial. However, each gathering place has its own moderators and rules. So this is what they're saying about the Zig community. So it is decentralized, and yeah. So whatever you start as passion, they consider that to be. I mean, they don't mark it as official or unofficial because they want people. That's it. And whatever people I have seen in the Sikh communities, I mean, they are also extremely enthusiastic. And yeah, this is also a very fun place if I compare with the Rust community. And yeah, you can definitely hang around these places. And let's read ahead for now. So, the first advantage that Zig brings to the table is simplicity and clarity. So, Zig prides itself on simplicity and clarity, aiming to provide more straightforward programming experience. Its syntax is intentionally designed to be clean and understandable, making it accessible both to seasoned developers and newcomers to the field. The language simplicity helps reduce cognitive load on programmers, fostering a more efficient and enjoyable development process. So, yeah, so Rust is sometimes considered to be too difficult for beginners. Sig, on the other hand, is more simpler, I would say. Even I haven't used it too much, but whatever I have used and I have seen, it looks a lot simpler compared to Rust, and it is also safe and reliable. So one of Zig's standout features is its emphasis on safety and reliability. Its design focus on preventing common programming errors at compile time rather than runtime, reducing the chances of bugs and vulnerabilities in the final code. So I don't think that Zig uses any ownership or any other kind of model. That is mostly a Rust only concept. But Zig also has some compile time checks for better memory safety. Like when these languages are coming, they are mostly comparing themselves against C and C++ and not against each other. And maybe some of these languages will be much more bigger and much more widely used in the future, maybe in the near future, if not in the far. So for performance and optimization, Zig is built with a keen focus on performance. It offers low level control like C and C++, so allowing developers to fine tune their code for optimal performance. Furthermore, Zig's support for direct interfacing with hardware is efficient memory management contribute to the development of fast and resource efficient applications crucial for performance critical tasks. So yeah, so like Rust and C++ also, Zig is also very fast, and you can also interact with the hardware because it is also low level and systems level. So you can do a lot of systems level stuff like operating system and networking and many other things. So yeah, you can do low level stuff. So it's not only the high level, what many people call as soy divs. Anyway, I'm not saying it. Many people say it. Anyway, let's move ahead. So, unique features. Zig introduces several unique features that set it apart from other languages. For instance, it offers comp time, compile time execution, that allows computations to be performed at compile time, enabling powerful meta programming capabilities. This feature enables the creation of highly optimized code while maintaining readability and simplicity in the source. So this is looks like a Zig only concept or a Zig unique concept, you can say. And I haven't like used Zig too much to come across this one. So maybe yeah, maybe even I need to explore some Zig. stuff. So this article is about Zig as your next programming language. So even I need to check also. Like I am also reading this article out of curiosity, you can say. So yeah, so even I need to use some. So use cases and applications. Zig's features make it suitable for a wide range of applications. It emphasis on safety and performance makes it an ideal choice for systems programming, embedded system, and game development. Yeah, so I know some games that are built using Zig. So I have read some article on that. So game development using Zig, and I'm sure I will find something cool. Yeah, Zig News, and this is the one. So writing and releasing a game in Zig. And today I released Konkan Coast Pirate Solutions on Steam. It's cozy puzzle game. And so before Zig and game dev, finding Zig, and then the experience. So this is a maybe I will review this in a separate video, but this is one cool game that I found that is made using Zig, and this is in Steam. I haven't played it, but from the outside this looks cool. That's why I'm saying it. So yeah, so game dev you can do. And last in conclusion, so Zig with its blend of simplicity, safety, and performance holds promise for the future of programming languages. So yeah, so this is only looking into the future. So right now we are not so sure what will happen to whom and what, but in the future we expect that some of these languages will be very big, if not all of them. Definitely not all of them. Like some languages will definitely not be able to, like even for developers, it's a pain, right? If there are too many languages and all are in use. So, but I believe some of the languages, and I believe Zig could be one of them, and also Rust. So its innovative approach to addressing common programming challenges and its focus on efficient resource utilization make it an appealing choice for developers seeking powerful and reliable language of their projects. As it continues to evolve, its community expands, it could potentially establish itself as a significant player in the programming language landscape, especially, I believe, in the systems level. And game dev, I'm not so sure, but definitely in the systems level, I believe that's where the main focus is. Its growing popularity among developers showcases a growing interest in its unique feature and capabilities, making it a language worth exploring for those who want to embark on their next programming language adventure. Whether it's enhancing safety, optimizing performance, or simplifying dev, Zig might be your next language. That's what they're saying. And here I want to mention one very important project, and this is the Bun. So Bun.js, if you go to the GitHub directly, so Bun is actually written in Zig. So as you can see, most of it is written in Zig and some in C++ and other languages. So, and Bun, as you all know, is a new JavaScript runtime, and which is also considered to be more powerful, I mean, more fast than Node.js. So, yeah, and it is also a stable version now. So, I don't use Bun too much, but if this is really all that good, then maybe I will start using Bun instead of Node. Why I'm not using Bun, I'm not sure. Maybe because I'm used to using Node too much, but we will see. We will see. So this is also something that is built using Zig. So yeah, so it holds definitely some promise, maybe a lot of promise. So yeah, that's it for this, folks. So I'm done reviewing this article. So maybe in the next video, I will bring something more interesting for you. So yeah, that's it for this, folks, and I will see you next time.